Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin E serum, only way. Combine 1 tsp vitamin E oil with 2 tablespoon jojoba oil, add 3 drops lavender essential oil for scent, and stir gently into a dark glass dropper bottle. Label with date and shake before use. Apply a few drops to clean skin at night and patch test first to ensure no irritation occurs. In this video, I will show how to make vitamin E serum, only ways. Gather 1 tsp vitamin E oil, 2 tablespoon jojoba oil, 3 drops essential oil, a dark glass dropper bottle, and a small funnel. Sanitize your hands and tools, then pour oils carefully into the bottle, cap tightly and invert to combine. Store away from light and heat, and always perform a skin patch test before full application. In this video, I will show how to make vitamin E serum, only way. Quick recommendation. If you like a good read while your serum rests, check out the Kindle Paperwhite I'm showing here. It's perfect for recipes and relaxing between steps. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make vitamin E serum, only way. After cleansing, dispense 2 to 3 drops onto fingertips and gently press into damp skin, concentrating on dry or aging areas. Use nightly or as tolerated, and layer under your regular moisturizer. If you experience redness or stinging, discontinue use and reassess the formulation or concentration to prevent irritation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.